Okay, so this is the graph portion from my last derivative example because I couldn't find a software to make a graph, so I'll just do a little sketch here. But basically, if I were to graphically explain the marginal profit problem I had, if you look back on the numbers in the other video, the value of the derivative at x equals 700 represents the slope of the tangent line, and the point would be, imagine these ticks were going up in increments of 250, so it would be on this point right here, around here. Not the best sketch, I don't have my stylist. And then when using marginal profit to make estimates about the total profit, we are actually using the slope of this tangent line. If I could draw it better, tangent line right here, to actually make estimates of the actual total profit function. Yeah, thank you, and that's it.